In 2001, Bmtf unveiled a new horizon in Bangladesh's automobile assembly sector. Built with modern technology and skilled hands, this is one of the country's largest automobile assembly centers. Everything from spot welding, painting and fitting to final inspection undergoes strict quality control. Here, trucks, buses, pickups, jeeps, motorcycles, tractors, prime movers and various special vehicles are assembled. Bmtf Limited has the capacity to assemble and market about 3,000 motorcycles and over 1,500 vehicles annually by assembling 5 vehicles daily.